Okay, so this is the integration for the OrbitBand client. And what's the idea to integrate here is to have a section below this one. So between just launched and meet the team, meet order, similar to same size of the blue background, somewhere here, and to have 5 landing pages: street match, homeward, daily alerts, Condovert, and the fifth one will be Toronto homes and condos for sale. So we are going to have these 4. If we can, we don't have to use these one to go with this effect. They should be the same size as these, and they can follow this buttons. So with the nice photos in the back and everything that goes in here. So something like that. That's the only integration we need in this order. I hope this makes sense. Let me know if you need more details. Thanks.